Welcome to another class of computer lesson. So last class we have already learned what are the arithmetic operators, how a variable is declared and how a value is assigned to a variable like that. So and also did some examples related to that topic. Now let me tell you another example, making labels invisible and changing the text in the text box. Making the labels invisible and changing the text in the text box when a user clicks on the command button. That means when the user clicks the command button, the text changed to another text. The text changed to another text. So the question here is, first construct a form and then enter the text box, enter any word in the text box, and when we click the command button, the text changed to another text. In our previous example, we did the addition of two numbers and the result is shown will be shown there in a label. So in this question, when we enter a word or a letter or anything in the text box, when we when we click the command button, the labels gets invisible and also the text changed. Text will change. Text need to change. Okay, so first we have to construct a form, create a form, and then next, okay. So this is our form. So this is the form, and we need to place two labels. So this is the first label. Label 1. Right. And then next write a name for that label 1. So here writing a name invisible 1. Invisible 1. So just drag a label from the toolbox and write a name for the first label, that is label 1, invisible 1. Next, drag another label, that is label 2, and write a name for the label 2. Write a name for the label 2. So that is invisible 2. Invisible 2. So first write a label for the label 1. Write a name for the label 1, that is invisible 1. Write another. Write a name for the label 2, that is invisible 2. Then next, place a text box into this. So here, place a text box and enter any letter or word there. But here, place a command button. So the command button name, magic button. What is that? Magic. You can write any name for this button, but now we write magic button. Yes. Then next, this is a text box. 1. So label 1, label 2, this is label 2, and this is a text box, then this is button 1. So we need to enter any text from the text box, and then we need to invisible these two labels, also disappear or changes the text which is in the text box. So what and changing the text written in the text box. So let's see. So code is, first click on the button. Which button? This button, magic button. Click on the magic button and then write first one. Label one dot visible is equal to false. So the code for invisible, the label is label 1. What is its name? Label 1. Dot property is visible. So visible equal to, if it is true, then we can visible the label. But if we write false, we cannot visible this label during runtime. So that is false. We have to write false. Same way, so tell me what is the code for this label? 2. Then the property is visible and we have to invisible this label, so that we need false. So this is the code for these two labels for invisible, the labels. So first one, label 1. What is it? What's the name of first label? Label 1. And label 1 dot the property is visible equal to false. False means we cannot visible. If it is true, we can visible. So we need to invisible. So that the label 1 dot visible is equal to false. Then here label 2 dot visible is equal to false. Next. So now to the first question, making labels invisible. So now we did the labels invisible. And then next question is, we need to change the characters which is entered in the text box. We need to change the characters, or change the text written in the text box. Then how to change it? That is, text box 1 dot text is equal to disappear. That means now whatever you enter the text will be changed to the text name disappear. So let's see. What is its name? Text box 1. So text box 1 is equal to dot text is equal to disappear. Text box 1 dot the text is equal to disappear. So the question is, make the two labels invisible and change the characters or the letters or the text written in the text box to another word or anything. So now for invisible, we need to write the code. Label 1 dot visible is equal to false. That's for the first label. Label 2 dot visible is equal to false. That's for the second label. And then next we need to click the button, and then next after when we click the button, make this text changes to disappear, so that text box 1 dot text is equal to disappear. Alright. Then so look at the page number 83. We can see the example. So look at here, there carefully, and if you have any doubts, please tell me through WhatsApp. So next topic is color constants. So color constants. Yes, color constant means in Visual Basic there are more than 100 named colors which you can apply as a foreground or background colors to various controls. That means here we are trying to color like background color and foreground color to buttons or labels or any other controls. So here we are learning how to color a label or any other control. So there is a syntax for that. Syntax is label control color property equal to color dot color name. Control dot color property equal to color dot color name. Simple. So the syntax is control dot color property equal to color dot color name. That is control dot color property equal to color dot color name. For example, this is a label. Yes, name. That is label dot color property back color equal to color dot red. So label dot back color is equal to color dot red. Then next, let's do a problem. So that the problem is write a program to design a form as shown in A and change the color of its component as in B. So when the command button with the caption change colors is clicked. So make the controls in a form, and then when we click the button, there is the button name is change colors. When we click the button named change colors, so the color will change to the colors in your textbooks, as in the textbooks. Okay, so let's do it first. Create a form. Yes. Then next, first label change text color. So just place a label. That is change text color. That is label 1. Yes. Okay. So first drag the label to here and then enter a name change text color for that label. The next change background color. Next change background color. Yes. The next enter a text area. Change background. Change background. The next button. Change colors. Yes. So when we click the button, we need to change the background color, text color. Okay. So that just double click on the button and then there is a code form entered. So you need to write first. We need to change the color, change text color, font. We need to change the font color of the text, change text color. In which color? Red color. So first one, this is label 1, label 2, then next is text box 1, button. So first we need to change the text, change the color of the text, change the text color. So which color? Red color. So what is the syntax? Control dot here we need to change the color into red color, so that we need to change 4 color. 4 color means font color. So that control means here the control name is label 1. First label 1 dot. What's the color property? We need to change the font color. So foreground, then equal to color dot color name. So color is the name and color name we need to change into red color. So red. Once again, what is the control name? Label 1. Property, foreground property, the code color dot. What is the color you need to hear? Red. Next is change the background color of second label. So like this, how to write? Label 2 dot background color. So that properties background, then equal to which color? Green color. So that color dot green. Yes. The next, change the background of text box 1, same as that of here. So that not label, what is this control? Text box 1. So that text box 1 dot same background equal to color dot purple. Which color? Purple. Then, so these are the things we have to we need to change the font. First, change the font color, change the background color, change the background color of text box, and so that's all. So once again, what is the syntax here? Color control dot color property equal to color dot color name. So first we need to change the font color of label 1. So how to change the font color of label 1? First one, label 1 dot. What is the control here? Label. So what is its name? Label 1. So label down dot color property. We need to change the foreground color. So write foreground is equal to color dot. Which color? Red color. So color dot red. So what happens? The change text color becomes in red color. Then second one, we need to change the background color of the label 2. So that's the same way as the first one. Label 2 dot. What is the property we need to? So that's background equal to color dot. Which color? Green color. Then we need to change the background of the text box. Change background text. So that the same way as the above text box 1 dot background is equal to color dot purple. Then next, how to save the project. How to save the projects. We know how saving projects. So next topic is saving the project. Saving the project. Saving the project. How to save the project? Now it's time to save your project. Information about the form and the project will be saved in 2 separate files. So the file extension for a form is .bb and file extension for a project is .bb project. That means the information about the form and the project will be saved in 2 separate files. So if form file, project file. So form file with extension .bb and project file with extension the file menu and select save all option. So first open file menu, then save option. Simple, you know already how to save the project. Open the file menu, then click save option, then a save as dialog box appears, then you can enter the name for there. Then next there is a button named save, so you have to enter the button, click the button save. So once again, how to saving the project. First open the file menu and select save all option, then a save as dialog box appears. So you need to enter the file name in the space as written in the name. So then after entering the name, its file name, then click the button named save. Then how to open the saved project. Open the saved project means you can open the saved project in any time by the following steps. First open the file menu, that means first file, then open project, then search the name of that project and then select the project folder to open and select the project name. Click on open button. Then project will be with the associated file will be loaded in the memory. Now you can run the project. So once again, how to save the project? File, save name, file name, etc. How to open? Just a file. Open the file menu, then click open project. Then next select the project means or search the project name, then select the project folder, and then what happens when we open it? The forms are already loaded into the memory and then run it. Then clicking the start button. Start button means here is a button. So this is the start button. Just click on the start button so that you can run the project. Then how to end application. Here click on end. Click on end means this is the end. So click on end. You can end the application. Then exit from the Visual Basic. Just say file exit. So simple. Save file name. File, enter file name. Save. Then next open file, open project, open, then next ending application, run. That is a simple. So you can click there. Then next end application is end to run. That's the application here. So you can click there. You can stop the running project and return to Visual Basic. Click on end. Click end. Then exit from Visual Basic. File exit. Yes. So these are the main things after doing the project. That is file, you have to save it. Then open at any time. Then you want to exit the application, just do it. Here this code, click enter. Then exit, file exit. So these are the things in this chapter. Then let's wind up this class. We will continue later. Thank you.